I'm Dr. Levitt with Levitt Medical Aesthetics. Today we're going to be talking about liposuction and Beautifill. So Beautifill is a specific device that we use to do the liposuction. So essentially it's a specialized device for fat transfer. So with liposuction, normally we just suck out the fat from somewhere you don't want it, and it normally goes into the trash. With Beautifill, we can also transfer it somewhere else you might want it, like the buttocks, which would be the Brazilian butt lift. We can transfer it to the breasts, and commonly we'll transfer it to the face. So with any liposuction procedure we do, everything's done in-house, so we don't do general anesthesia. It's all done with local. So we'll typically give you, assuming you have a ride, we'll give you some sort of sedative to make you a little more comfortable. Then we'll make a couple incisions. So if you're doing your abdomen, for example, it's normally 3 very tiny, less than a centimeter incisions, and they're hidden in the belly button and usually in the bikini line. So we'll just put some local, and then we'll fill your belly with tumescent anesthesia, which is basically lidocaine and salt water. It'll get you completely numb, so you'll be comfortable during the procedure. You'll be usually pretty drowsy, but awake. And if anything is uncomfortable at any point, you can let us know, and we can take care of that. But usually people will just relax or sometimes sleep through a bunch of it. So we can lipo most anywhere with just a few small exceptions, but the most common areas would definitely be the abdomen, flanks. We've been doing a lot of necks lately, especially with Zoom. Everyone's noticing their necks, so we've been taking care of that for a lot of people. So with liposuction, the amount of time for the procedure depends on how many areas we're doing liposuction for and if we're doing fat transfer or if we're adding any tightening procedures. So I'd say it runs anywhere from about 2.5 to about 4 hours. 4 hours would be usually adding tightening plus transferring fat. If you're interested in getting fat transfer to another area, we typically do the liposuction just like we'd normally do the liposuction, but with the Beautifill device, it catches all of the fat in a canister. Then we're able to just turn that canister upside down, put all of the fat into a syringe, and then we will numb up whatever area you want to inject into. So again, it could be breasts, buttocks is popular, or we can do it in your face just like facial fillers. The nice thing about fat is it lasts about 5 to 10 years versus filler, especially in your face. Fillers last about a year, at the most 1.5 years to 2 years, but this is gonna last significantly longer. Also, since it came out of your body, there's no risk of rejection, and it's very natural. So one of the really nice things about liposuction is you do see immediate results. So as soon as you get up off the table, you're gonna look better because we're gonna have gotten out a lot of the fat. And if we do fat transfer, those areas already are gonna be looking better. The best results are gonna come with any liposuction procedure at 6 to 12 months. So downtime for the abdomen with liposuction is typically 3 to 5 days. You're gonna be pretty sore. So if you're planning to go back to work, I'd give it at least 3 days, probably on the safer side 5. Versus if we just do a neck, it's very easy. So neck, for example, is typically sore for a day or two. You wear a head compression garment for about 3 days, and then you're normally good to go. If you have more questions about liposuction or Beautifill, you can give us a call, come in for a consult, or you can visit our website at levittmedicalaesthetics.com.